welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. I'm Justin. Today we're gonna harvest some rhubarb. We noticed our rhubarb starting to flower, and when it flowers it goes to seed, and then the next year the growth will be stunted. So we want to make sure we get our full harvest out of our rhubarb. So we're going to harvest all the big stems first and get those harvested and get us some rhubarb pie or all the other good recipes that go along with rhubarb. So with rhubarb, you want to make sure you don't eat the leaves. They are poisonous. Okay, and when you harvest the rhubarb, okay, make sure you cut, get pretty low down on the stalk and get it cut. I'll show you one. All right, so harvested the first stalk of rhubarb. Okay, I removed the leaf. The leaf is poisonous, so you can throw this away, or if you have like a mulch pile that you can go in, get it, composted. Make sure you don't feed it to the animals. Okay, it would not be good. So we'll get Colton out of the colander here, and we'll start filling it with some more rhubarb. Okay, so got a good one there. Colton's out helping me today. Okay. Oh, let's leave that in there, Colt. All right. There we go. It looks nice and healthy this year. It's got good color to it. It's going to make a really good rhubarb pie. We're also going to freeze. We're going to freeze a lot of it also. All right, guys. Well, thank you.
All right, guys, so Justin was just outside picking this rhubarb. It is on the smaller side, but this is what happened. Our rhubarb already started going to flower because it got really hot really fast. That's California. You get either cold or hot. We don't have any other seasons here. But because of that, we cut the flowers off. He cut the flowers off, and we are going to be harvesting as much as we can as the plant tries to bloom. So we got a pretty good first harvest, but as you can see, they're kind of on the shorter side because you have to, of course, cut the leaves off. So what we're going to be doing today is taking these and cutting them into about 1/2-inch pieces and putting them on a cookie sheet to freeze. So once they're frozen, we're going to take them out and portion them into vacuum sealed bags, and I'm going to use them for stuff like rhubarb, strawberry rhubarb jam, strawberry rhubarb pie, anything else that you can do with rhubarb. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, if you liked this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And also share with your friends. It helps us a lot. All right, have a nice night. Bye.